To make this interesting, I'll use my least performing gig as far as even impressions. All right, so this is by far the least performing gig. This only has 6 impressions, 0 clicks, 0 orders, and this is for product description. So what you want to do is you want to open your a new Fiverr page under selling, and you want to find product descriptions, right? And then you want to look through all the sellers who are offering product descriptions. Let's take a look. So this seller here has 406 orders. Their starting price is very low though. This is $5. And then we have this one who has 59 orders, and their gig is starting at $15. Now, product description is a very easy to do kind of gig. A lot of people can do it, and it doesn't require a lot of it requires experience. It doesn't require a lot of new skills. Let's say if you know how to write, if you're good at writing, then you could probably use one of these gigs to make money on Fiverr. So I want something I want to analyze a seller who's doing good enough. I don't necessarily need them to be the best on Fiverr. So she has 406 gigs, which is beyond amazing. He has 36, 59, 186. So, and it looks like he specializes with Amazon sales. We just want product descriptions for e-commerce. That is what we are offering, not necessarily Amazon. Descriptions that sell. Okay. So we're just looking through all the gigs, and I'm trying to find one of the gigs that makes sense. Okay, this seller here is pro certified, starting at $95. That is amazing. Starting at $95 is beyond amazing, and so much so that I will choose her as our example on how to improve our gig description to get more attention on it, to get more clicks on it, and to get more sales. So let's click on her page. When I think about it, when it comes to writing the title for your gig, as you can see, our bestseller here writes, I will write catchy product descriptions. Now we could copy her like we did here. I will write catchy product descriptions, but I think we can do better than this. What I like to do is, for example, you can look up the definition of catchy. Not because we don't understand what it is, but we're looking for other words that mean the same thing. So similar words are memorable, unforgettable, appealing, captivating, and snappy. Okay? I like the word captivating. So instead of writing catchy, I will change my product description to say I will write captivating. Product descriptions, right? If you want, you can say I will write unforgettable product descriptions, I will write appealing product description, I will write snappy. So depending on the market you're in, use the word that most identifies what you can do with your product descriptions or with your gig. So in this case, I will write captivating product descriptions. Next, we want to look at the tags that our pro used to get all this attention to this gig. So here are the related tags. So this is Amazon store descriptions, product description, SEO writer, and SEO marketing. So make sure that you can actually provide this. And if you can, go ahead and make sure your tags are exactly like hers. So Amazon store. I'm just gonna get rid of some of my old ones. Amazon store, product description. I think I saw product description here, product description. And then there's descriptions, SEO writer. So we have website content and sales copy. So SEO writer. And SEO marketing. So website content, we can get rid of that and put in SEO marketing. All right. And so now we have new search tags which are optimized for this gig. Go ahead and save this and let's move on to the next section. Next, we want to look at the pricing and adjust it to the market. So here we go. This is the pricing page. So it looks like we have three offerings, the basic, standard, and premium. The basic is a one-off. It's called Try Me, and it has physical descriptions of the item, benefits of the products, how it can be used, and a call to action button or call to action description. This is to be delivered in 1 day. One product description, titles included, bullet point included. We have 4 bullets for each and about 50 word count with 2 focus keywords and 1 revision for the price of $10. Okay, so let's take a look at our example here and what her offering is. Now remember, she's pro certified and highly skilled and sought after. Okay, and she's offering compelling product descriptions with SEO keyword optimization, competitor research, focus keywords, revision, 1 revision, delivered within 3 days, and this is going for $95. So I'd actually say we are offering more than she is, but her experience and her results can get her to ask for $95 per gig. So we'll just keep our price at $10 for hours. So I want you to look through all your packages and compare with hers, and if there's something that you can add as far as descriptions, as far as value, add it to your descriptions and save it so that you're clear enough on what you're offering the clients. Now we want to move over to descriptions and frequently asked questions. And this is where you get to read through your description, make sure you check it for typos or any inconsistencies. Make sure your description is clear so that your clients know exactly what they get from this gig. Another section we're going to look at is the frequently asked questions. In my original gig, I didn't have any frequently asked questions to add in here. I think it was just my lack of creativity at the moment, because I can think of a couple of frequently asked questions, but nevertheless, let's use our example here, our pro, to see what kind of frequently asked questions we could put in here. So our pro is from the United Kingdom, so one of the first ones here is, do you write in US or UK English? And then the second one is, do you write product descriptions just for Amazon? Do you offer SEO in descriptions? So I'm going to brainstorm a couple of frequently asked questions, and we're going to type them up in our frequently asked questions section. All right, so I just thought of one frequently asked question that a client would want to know. What style do you write your product descriptions? And you can see here it says add an answer. So I will answer and say it depends on the product that I am describing. I will use a tone that is that makes sense for the product. All right, so that's one frequently asked question. So let's brainstorm a couple more. When it comes to the requirements, these are the requirements you need from your buyer in order to perform or give them the service that they're seeking. So we have a couple of questions here. Read through your questions and make sure you have questions in all of these sections, because it adds more information to the seller, which could give them confidence in inquiring further, or even getting you to do a gig for them. So look through your requirements and make sure it makes sense before you submit this. Last, you want to look at the gallery. The gallery is a section where you get to put images of your work, videos explaining exactly what you do, and examples of documents, document PDFs that show that you can do this work. I have a certification here. I have a document showing examples of a couple of product descriptions. I have a video of me narrating exactly what I can do for you. And then I have a flyer here with some of the product images that I've done in the past. For the images, you can have up to 3, only 1 video, and up to 2 documents. So this is an opportunity for me to put up more images. Because I only have 1, I can put up to 3. So find as many images as you can. You want this as packed as possible so that you're giving your client as many examples of work that you have done as possible. All right, let's move on. Okay, so now that we've completed and updated our gig, you want to save and preview your gig. And now you get to look at it from the buyer's perspective. You see exactly what they see when they land on your gig. You read through the descriptions, make sure everything makes sense and everything is as you have updated it to be. And if there's any changes needed, go ahead and do that. Make the changes now, and do not leave this gig for too long. Check on it every couple of days to see how it's doing, see if your changes are making an impact, if you're getting more views, if you're getting more clicks, and be quick to respond to sellers who are inquiring so that you can get gigs booked as soon as you get inquiries. Okay, so let me know if this worked out for you. This definitely worked out for me with previous gigs. As you can see, I showed you the gig that went from 0 to 2 orders in like 1 day, just for making this kind of changes. Use the examples of other top sellers on Fiverr, and I hope that you will be successful with your new gig. All right. Put questions below if you've experienced any success with this. Let me know how it's gone for you, and let's help each other in the comment section. Thank you.